The water cycle, also known as the hydrologic cycle or the hydrological cycle, is a biogeochemical cycle that describes the continuous movement of water on above and below the surface of the earth. The hydrological cycle is intimately linked with changes in the atmospheric temperature and radiation balance. Warming of the climate system in recent decades is univocal, as it is now evident from observations of increases in global average air and ocean temperature, widespread melting of snow and ice, and rising of the sea level globally. It is expected that the hydrological cycle will be affected from global warming due to the enhanced greenhouse effect. The hydrological cycle may be strengthened with more precipitation and more evaporation, but the extra precipitation will be unequally distributed around the globe. It is expected that some areas of the world may see significant reductions in precipitations or even more major variations in the timing of wet and dry seasons. The concept of hydrological cycle is elegantly simple, but its importance in the functioning of the geological and biological earth is profound, transcending water itself. It plays an overarching role in the cycling of solar energy, sediments, and chemical elements vital for the sustenance of life. Although it is clear that contemporary ecosystems reflect a revolutionary adaptation to the delicate linkages that exist among the various components of the hydrological cycle, it is also apparent that evolving life must have influenced the evolution of the hydrological cycle over geological time. Life, it appears, is simultaneously a product of the hydrological cycle and its cause. Hydrological cycle is also known as water cycle. It is the normal water recycling system on Earth. Due to solar radiation, water evaporates generally from the sea, lakes, and etc. Water also evaporates from plant leaves through the mechanism of transpiration. As the steam rises in the atmosphere, it is being cooled, condensed, and returned to the land and the sea as precipitation. Precipitation falls on the earth as surface water and shapes the surface, creating the streams of water that results in lakes and rivers. A part of the water precipitating penetrates the ground and moves downward through the incisions, forming aquifers. Finally, a part of the surface and underground water leads to sea. During this trip, water is converted in all phases: gas, liquid, and solid. As mentioned above, water always changes states between liquid vapor, ice, with these processes happening in the blink of an eye and over millions of years.